this is Arlene. So this is a tweet I did earlier this evening. Just a couple of hours ago, excuse me. I had to get in my car to go somewhere, and I was getting them immediately to my back where my kidneys were. I already did a video how on my right side I woke up sore with my kidney, but this one was to my left kidney. So anyways, these were the frequencies. And it was from right here, from my car seat on the driver's side. Then I did another tweet right after that one. Still getting them in the back of my car. I was warming my car up. And it got higher. And that's my car. And still was getting frequencies in my car on the driver's side.